A lot of you have been asking my thoughts on IREN, and today we're going to be talking about the stock. We're going to be covering the positions that I ended up taking within my small fund with my community as well as my main fund, and we're going to go over exactly why I am so bullish on this stock and exactly what would have to change in order for me to actually remove my bullish thesis. Now, as you guys know, I trade a very simple two-step trading system. The link to all of that courses down in the description for those indicators and the system will be down there. It's all completely for free. So if you have any questions about the indicators, how to set them up, how to get them, it's all down there. Basically, the two-step system works very simply. First and foremost, this indicator at the bottom, the monthly BX trender, must be showing an increase or must be green. So you can see if we go back out to a monthly time frame, this indicator is meeting those criteria. If we zoom into a weekly time frame, this will keep the monthly at the bottom. And you can see that as well, price has to be trading at a discount, right? We do not want to be buying when price is all the way up here. This is not ideal. Normally, we want to be buying when price is pulling back into a support level. This is really the whole idea of what we want. Buy low, sell high. I know it sounds simple, very hard to execute on if you don't have a simple system. So with that, both of these pieces of criteria are met. We literally bounce off of the support level. We are inside of this discount range, and that's why I opened a position earlier this morning. Now you can see here that in my private fund, I ended up buying 1,200 shares at about $40.73. Within the fund that I trade with my private Discord community, I ended up buying about 40 shares at an average of $40.80, and we're already up about 13% on these so far, which is really, really good. Now, as far as targets and take profits, it's basically two areas that I'm looking at. The first area is this push up to about $60. I think that there's at least, before a potential rejection, another 20 to maybe even 27% move to the upside. Now, in most cases, price is going to follow bullish market structure. So price will break out, price will pull back, price will break out to an all-time high. And I still think that that's possible, and that's what I'm going for. I'm expecting best case scenario here that we see price probably continue to move to $76 to $80. However, with that said here, my worry is that we could potentially be showing a descending wedge. So my fear is that price is going to push up to 56, maybe 60, and then potentially pull back one more time down to about $32. So at this point, I am bullish. I'm going to continue to be bullish until this monthly BX closes dark red. As long as we're continuing to hold support, as long as this BX is continuing to show green, I would expect a breakout to the upside. As I said before, I think we're at least going to push to 56 before we see a potential rejection, and I will continue to hold my position and update you guys on any trades. As I said before, the link to all of our courses are down in the description. All of the indicators, they are all totally free. And if you do want to trade with me and my team live each and every single day, get access to all of our tools, access to my fund, all of the positions, real-time trade alerts, the link to the Discord community will be at the very bottom. Thanks for all the support, and I'll see you guys next time.